Hello world, my name is Mike J and I'm back again. I want to apologize for the low video quality. It's only my second one. I'll invest more as I see the reaction from the YouTube community. Now back to business. This week I'll focus on Medical Marijuana Inc. The stock ticker is MJNA and as of right now the share price is 12.5 cents. I'll give you guys some company background, some financial information, some technical analysis, and I'll tell you about some catalysts. Now, Medical Marijuana Inc. was founded in 2009, and as of today, it has 5 companies in its portfolio that it either owns or owns the majority of. The first company is Photosphere System. Now, Photosphere owns the technology that's used in companies to help grow and harvest the plants. Now, the second company that they have in their portfolio is Red Dice Holdings. Now, Red Dice owns the equipment, the formulas, and the extraction process to make hemp-based CBD products. Now, CBD is a chemical that's found in marijuana, totally different from THC. It has its own medical properties, and it can help with pain, sorenesses. It even helps with cancer. So you guys should definitely do some research on it. Now, Red Dice Holdings owns these processes and equipments, and they license them to different distributors. Now, the best known distributor has to be Dixie's Edibles and Elixirs. Dixie's was just in 60 Minutes not long ago, and I left the link down in the details, so check that out. And the third company that they own is Hemp Meds RX. Now, Hemp Meds specializes in the production, development, and the sales of hemp-based products to different industries. It's mostly medical things. The fourth company that they own is Wellness Managed Services, which Wellness manages and develops medical clinics throughout the entire North America. And the fifth and final company that they own is Canchu Biotechnologies. Now, Canchu actually makes hemp-based gum. And so this gum actually has medical properties, so it can help with illnesses and things of that such. Talking financially about Medical Marijuana Inc., there's only positive news. Quarter one of this year, they had a 12,000% increase from last year. Quarter two of this year, they had a 1,200% increase from the same time last year. So everything's good in that sector. Technical analysis also is looking good. The RSI is 71, so as long as the RSI stays high like that, that is a very good sign. The MACD is also above the signal line, so that is also another good sign. And finally, the trailing EMA is lower than the most recent one, so that is another good sign. Now, if we're talking about catalysts, Medical Marijuana Inc. has multiples. The first one is that they were in the 60 Minutes not long ago. They were also in Newsweek. Finally, you have to realize that there are 7 states voting to get medicinal marijuana legalized November 6th. There's 4 states voting to get industrial hemp legalized, and there's 3 states voting to get marijuana legalized overall. Now, if any of these states pass these laws, that will only lead to more revenue to Medical Marijuana Inc. Now, after looking at all this research, I would advise an investor to buy the stock. And you must remember that penny stocks are always a gamble, so invest at your own risk. If anyone would want me to look at a stock, please leave it in the comment down below, and I'll look at it. Subscribe and come back, guys.